Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vittori Vida and you are watching Vittori Vida TV. Okay, so today we are so lucky. This has been the most exciting day ever because we have a special guest. It's been a while since I posted a makeup post or a makeup tutorial, so I felt that this is the perfect time to actually update my look. You've seen me put some eyelashes on, but I've never really done a super dramatic eye makeup. So let's see what this very talented makeup artist and entrepreneur has in mind for Vittori Vida. And it is just so timely because later I will be going to a birthday party and I will be emceeing a birthday party later. So that would be really exciting. So at least I could use this look. I'm just excited of how everyone is going to react about the makeup. You guys will be the judge because if you've been following on the channel or if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. But yes, if you're new here, then at least you would get a more updated makeup look courtesy of the one and only Rhoderic Sia. So we are at his beautiful, beautiful home. There's always something to talk about in this house. 2018 is going to be a very beautiful year. I went to Starbucks last Thursday for a meeting and then I was like, oh my gosh, I need some new makeup. And yes, I went to Sephora and Rhodey made me buy all this, the modern renaissance, and I think we might be using that today. And also, I got this new lipstick. It's the metallic lipstick from Smashbox, and I was thinking I would want to really give it a whirl. So I haven't really collaborated with Rhodey before. This is my first time working with him. It's nice for us to like see what he wants to do with his beautiful face. Let's start it. Among all things, I got myself a very beautiful zit somewhere here and I popped it today, so what a lovely day to have a zit. Oh my gosh, I already feel like a queen with this kind of treatments on my face.
You are a queen.
We are all queens. I have to tell you guys that Rhodey, he actually has a line of aprons and it's called Just Aprons, right? And so if you guys want to check that out, I'll give you the link in the description box below. Do you actually have a website for that?
I just have Facebook.
Okay, so go to Facebook to check out your stuff. Okay, we can do that. I love Peter Thomas Roth. Peter Thomas Roth product smells good. It does smell good.
Since you already have a beautiful brow, we're not going to do anything special about it, but we're just going to fill them in where we want it.
I want the world to know. Gotta let it show. I'm coming. Okay, this is a trivia, guys. They always mistake me as you.
They always mistaken me as you. One time when you were hosting at that pageant.
Miss Philippines Canada Queens.
So there is two young girls and came up to me and they were like, oh my god, Victor Vida. And I was like, no. And then they were like, Victor Vida. And I was like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not Victor Vida. And she was like, no, you're Victor Vida. I'm watching YouTube. And I was like, well, you got the wrong guy because I don't have a YouTube. So
I have Instagram. You're pretty active on Instagram too.
Yeah. So that was very, very funny. And she was insisting that I was you. And I was like, no, I'm not Victor Vida. And it's like, no, you are. I watch you. I'm like, okay.
If you really insist, then I can be one.
Right? It was so funny.
You have to really have a good foundation because it's your mask, right? Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you, Rhodey.
You're welcome, girl. You're so beautiful. I love that.
It has been almost 5 hours since we've applied makeup on, and I'm so happy. I'm not oily at all. I'm just really impressed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you actually get something out of this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also give me some like if you actually like it. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna keep on partying because there's still a party going on. And also I would like to thank Ate Ann for letting me host tonight's Great Gatsby party. I'm just super thankful for everyone who hires me to MC events like this. It is my pleasure to share these moments with you guys. So thank you. You have a beautiful night, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media channels. I am on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. Just look for Vittori Vita. Keep on watching Vittori Vita TV because when it's fun, it's Vittori Vita.